Very exciting day today. Thank you for joining me. This is TWC Projects, and I've got finally a real project, I should say a real project, but one I've been waiting to do for quite a long time, and it is to build a proper passageway over this brook, and at the same time try to make this less steep. This was pretty tricky to come down before, and I'm trying to make it. I think I've still got some more I can cut away and bring down, but I'm probably going to save the rest of it until after I have the culverts in here and some stone on top of those. Then we're going to start bringing more and more dirt to build this, try to ramp this up a little bit, and then put more stone around on the top of the outside to kind of keep it all packed in. So that's what we're doing today. Bobcat's working real well. I'm learning how to use it, so I'm taking things kind of slow. The safety manual says we're on a slope to back down. I don't quite understand that because it scares the crap out of me when I'm trying to do that and I can't see where I'm going. Plus, it also says 60% of the weight is in the back and 40 is in the front, so you want a full, loaded bucket to keep it balanced off. So anyway, I started backing down, and then I felt the thing tip right up in the air, and I got kind of nervous, and I eased back forward, turned it around, and then started cutting away any of those humps and bumps so that I could see what I was doing. I'm learning, so I'm going to keep doing it the way that works and I feel safest with, which is what I'm doing right now. All right, I think it turned out all right. Not as good as I wanted, but it's good. I basically, it was so muddy in here. I tried to clear some of it up, but I brought in, this is 6 ton of number 3 stone, and I've used every bit of it. And I've tracked it in and tracked it in, so I think it's gonna be all right. Hard to say, but anyway, I'm gonna call this a wrap. I've got a lot more projects up here, but this was one I've been wanting to do for quite a while, and that was the skid steer made it very possible. Like, it just couldn't, I couldn't have gotten that stone down here any other way, so that worked fantastically today. And the handle that was giving me trouble before, that was kept popping open, I replaced that with a new one, and it worked perfectly. So the machine is in tip-top shape. Well, AC is not working. I wish I had that today. It's 70 and I was feeling it, but that'll be a project for another day. I can still use it without AC. So anyway, thank you for joining me as always. Thank you for helping me create things, fix things, and enjoy God's amazing creation outside. And thank you for subscribing, hitting the bell to get notified when new ones come out. Thumbs up if you like it. And until next time, have a fantastic week. And I will see you on the next project.